Pura Vida everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to take you along on my 10-day road trip through Costa Rica. In case you didn't know, Costa Rica is a small but incredibly diverse country in Central America. This beautiful country is packed with volcanoes, rainforests, beaches and wildlife. And the best part, it's just a few hours from the US, making it the perfect tropical getaway. So hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite drink and come explore Costa Rica with me. I started my Costa Rica adventure flying from New York City to San Jose with Avianca Airlines with a brief stop at Honduras. After 7 hours of flight, we are here in Costa Rica. Oh my god. We are just going for immigration right now. Immigration at San Juan Airport was a breeze. So we have booked our car from Adobe Car Rental. Now we are just waiting for our shuttle to come and pick us up because the car rental center is outside the airport. So today it's raining over here. Also we are here in the rainy season. So yeah, let's see how the weather goes with our trip. We arrived at the Adobe rental car location. Probably went with the host to the documentation thing, and I'm just sitting here for luggage and waiting for Andrew to come and we will pick up. Before hitting the road, we made a quick grocery stop to stock up on road trip essentials. Plenty of water and snacks for the road. For the night, we stayed at a cozy local bed and breakfast in San Jose. After a long, exhausting day, we are finally here at our Airbnb. It's really small and cozy. It's just perfect for one night in San Jose. It's time for dinner and we plan not to go out but to have it here, and I am making Maggi for dinner. This place has a community kitchen where I'm cooking right now, and really an amazing vibe. They have all plants and everything, as you can see behind me. Like whole greenery going on over here. It's like pura vida, as we say here in Costa Rica. Good morning, you guys. So it's a beautiful morning in Costa Rica. It's sunny and we are really excited to explore our first day here in Costa Rica. So for the first day we have planned to drive towards Baja del Toro, and I'll tell you more about Baja del Toro once I reach there, but our first stop will be La Paz. We are here at our first stop. As you can see behind me, that is La Paz waterfall, and it's just a roadside attraction. We just parked our car over there and walked a few feet, I can say, and this is the beautiful waterfall just behind me. Oh my god, it is looking absolutely beautiful. Taking a coffee break in one of the sodas, and I have ordered myself one coffee and as well as one of the breakfast from the menu. It's a really beautiful place. From here I can see beautiful view, and we are really enjoying our morning. The drive is absolutely beautiful. It's really difficult to capture on camera, but we are really enjoying the drive. Also, let me tell you, the roads over here are super curvy and winding. So if you're planning to drive here, just keep that in mind. After around 2.5 hours of drive, we arrived at Catarata del Toro, which is in Bajos del Toro. This is a private nature reserve and also the entry point to various waterfalls. So we reached Baja del Toro and we are hiking first for Blue Falls. And I have heard that the Blue Falls is absolutely beautiful, so I am so excited to check it out. So we were just hiking and I just saw the sign. It says, "Be aware of the snakes." That's something scary. We reached at the point of the trail where there are a lot of waterfalls around and we have to choose which we will go first. So we are going the first, which is very near, and that's like 5 minutes from the place where we met our guide, and he told us to just go and check it out. Beautiful! See the blue color! It's so beautiful over here, I can't tell you. Oh God! But be careful and talk with the guide. It was so much fun going to the first waterfall. Now heading to our next. This waterfall consists of 250 steps that go upwards. Yeah. I'm already losing my breath. And it's humid, it's rainy, everything is going on at the same time. Top of the trail, we are going to go down, and it's a steep down. Right now it's okay, but while coming back, it's gonna be a challenge. So now we are heading for last two waterfall of this trail. It was raining heavily, so we had to take all the precaution. Right now I am wearing a raincoat and a poncho. rain again, and we are just standing under the tree to save ourselves from rain. But yeah, hopefully it stops soon. Well, what we have seen is like it's rain for like 5 minutes and then it stops, and then you can just explore again, and again it rains, so you have to find some place where you can take shade and explore like that. As you can see, the rain stopped. It just happened for 5 minutes and then it's clear. So that's how we are navigating and exploring this place. And we have seen all the waterfalls. 2 of them are closed right now. We are heading back to our parking area. After the blue fall, we are back here at the starting point. This is Catarata del Toro. There is another beautiful waterfall. Just we have to go down. So let's go. Well, that's the first glimpse of the waterfall. Come see. Wow. After the long hike, we are here at the viewpoint of the waterfall. Oh my god, the hike was totally worth it. It is so beautiful right now. The mist, the waterfall, rain, everything is just adding up to that beauty. Oh wow. Day. We are here at one of the restaurants on the way to our B&B to have dinner, and I have ordered chicken, burger, coffee. Actually it's choco latte, and Prangal has ordered himself a fruta juice. It's like mixed fruit, banana, pineapple and everything. So everything looks delicious and we are going to take it. That's all from this video. Hope you guys like it. In the next episode, I am heading to La Fortuna for volcano views, hot springs and more adventures. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Pura Vida vibes. See you guys in the next one.